In our previous video, we talked about the installation and use of one-piece barrel band. Today, we're going to talk about installing a two-piece barrel band. Now, the two-piece barrel band, it's very versatile. If you have something like an over-under shotgun, tubular fed magazine, be it a 22 or like this one, an old classic Winchester 94, they come in a variety of sizes. So from a tube diameter for a magazine fed 22 up to a 12 gauge shotgun. So what we're going to do is put this on, and while I'm doing it, we're going to explain a little trick. You just put the two pieces and pretty much set them about where you would put them. And we have a little hex screw that we put on here and thread in. Now the trick is a lot of people will just take these barrel bands, and with this set screw here that we're putting in, the tendency is to just put it down, tighten it down tight, and expect it to work and hold. Don't tighten it down all the way. You don't need to. Just leave a little thickness between the two halves, about the thickness of a credit card. And then once you have that, we take the hollow screw. One side has a slot for a screwdriver, so you make sure you put the right in first. And once we get that thing started, the trick is to tighten the hollow screw all the way down first. It is spreading the bottom of the barrel band, and it's letting that first screw we put in act as a pivot. So as you spread the rear, it's actually clamping the barrel band tighter onto the magazine tube. So we get that down, get that tight. Then we come back and tighten the Allen screw. Once we get that good and tight, that barrel band is not going anywhere. It's going to be solid. So once you do that, you go back, use our standard old-fashioned locking swivel here, lock that gate into position, and use our locking sleeve, and you've got a barrel band.